Hey, this is Justin Yanks, your Charlotte real estate agent, and welcome to Waxhaw Landing by Mattamy Homes, which is a new construction community west of Monroe and close to Wesley Chapel and Waxhaw. Now, this community just opened up at the end of 2023 and is going to create a massive community of over 499 homes. The house prices are starting at the high 300s and can go up to low 500s depending on the square footage and the upgrades you're doing. And this community is going to have a pool, cabanas, a small park and playground, as well as sidewalks throughout the community. And today we are looking at the most popular floor plan, which is the Sequoia. It's a whopping 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and roughly 2,800 square feet with a 2-car garage, and it's priced in the mid 400s. Now, by the time you're seeing this video, I'm not sure if this still applies, but as of January 4th, 2024, this community is offering a whopping 6% towards closing costs if you use a preferred lender, allowing you to have no closing costs or pay down the interest rate heavily. It really is a great deal, and I don't think we'll be seeing it much longer as we head into the spring months here in the Charlotte area. So take advantage of it while you can. Now, if you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And if you're brand new to my channel, as I mentioned, my name is Justin Yanks, and I'm a Charlotte real estate agent. And I'm out here putting out content to be your best resource for those of you who are making decisions, whether that's moving to the Charlotte area or relocating within Charlotte into a new home. I'm here to help you out. So subscribe for more Charlotte content, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions about moving to the Charlotte area. I also do have a relocation guide in the description if that's something you'd be interested in. Feel free to give me a call or text 704-565-9413. Now let's head on inside and check out this beautiful home.